Hi everybody, listen, I'm just gonna give you a little cooking lesson today. I'm making a spinach and sausage quiche. I've already got a few things prepped. My sausage is already cooked. This is my frozen spinach defrosted. This, I pre-cooked the already made pie crust. I have my milk out. I have 3 eggs cracked, but I'm gonna crack 2 more. Watch how I crack it. I just go right on the table, on the counter. Then you stick your thumb in, check for shells, and if there isn't any, you're good. So it's gonna take 5 eggs. I have 4 done now. I did 3 to start just to move things along. 5 eggs, all set. Now, I'm gonna add about 1/3 of a cup of milk into this. Doesn't need a lot, just about that much. In this bowl here, I have white pepper and salt already out. I just use a little bit, not a lot. I don't use a lot of that stuff. Okay, you can use black pepper if you don't have white, but I'm just gonna dump that in. I'm just gonna scramble my eggs with. What should I do on the bottom? Spinach, sure. Spinach on the bottom. Ouch, ouch. Here's a knife. I'm just gonna spread it out. Could have used my fingers, but this I didn't let cool down very much. All right, spinach is in. Now I'm gonna put sausage in. I don't know if you noticed I was wearing my hat in the beginning, but that's because I always try to cover my head when I'm cooking because nothing worse than biting into a hair. Okay, now I'm just gonna coat the top with a handful. That's probably, let's see. Let's just measure it, let's see. Oh, about 1/2 cup of cheese. We'll sprinkle it over the top. I'm looking for things when you're cooking, you know, just having everything prepared. Give this another whisk or 2. I'm just gonna pour it over. You can fill this with anything you like. If you like broccoli, if you like just cheese, you can do that. You can do bacon, you can cheese, you can do any vegetables you like. Peppers and onions, you know. Anything you like, you can fill a quiche with. We used to call it egg pie when my son was little because quiche was just, you know. But egg pie going in at 350 degrees for approximately 30 to 35 minutes till it's not loose in the middle anymore, okay? And, all right, hope you enjoyed my cooking class. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye. Love you guys.